Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie and Princess Power on Draw to Impress. You do need VIP items for this, unfortunately. I'm just going to remove everything I did no adjustments on, like that. And then, so for the hair, I used this hair, it's just blonde in toggle only bangs, and then I selected this hair in this blonde and pink. Toggle it the same, and then for this one I use the same blonde and pink hair. Position the Y at 0.61, Z 0.70, rotate the X at 0.53, the Z 0.58, and scaled it to 0.38. Then I used this choker from the currency item here, and I colored it this color A74, A66 in silk. Position the Y at 0.35, Z 0.48, rotate the X at 0.45, and scaled it to 0.93. For the necklace, I used this necklace in the toggle 2. Then I also used this belt in black, and then in white, and then in this pink color, peachy pink color. Position the X at 0.48, Y at 0.78, Z 0.42. Rotate the X at 0.73 and scale it to 0.27. Then I use this in the toggle, the third one, in this pink color in silk. And then I also used this top from the Valentine's Day collection, this one, in silk, no bows, in that same pink color for all of it, except for the ruffles, color it white and glitter. And again, lace in silk, and then silk, like that. And then for these stockings, I'm just going to use this one in this color, FFA6A6 in silk. I think I made it, I'm just going to make it a little bit on the pink side. Or I did use this. I don't remember even what I used. Maybe like this color. And then I'm going to get these boots, color it this color again in silk, and then in black. And then, ooh, I forgot the cape and the eye mask. So get the cape in only cape light air in silk, and then get this eye mask, no feathers, and that color again in silk for everything, like so. And ooh, I also used this bracelet in the same dark pink color as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!